There is life after abroad.
Alright, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so ngayon ay nagpiprepare tayo for seminar sa Holy Angel University this Saturday. And announcement natin sa Singapore naman tayo, January 27, 9 a.m. ang venue ay to be announced. And salamat sa ating mga sponsors, JCA Wellness, Front Row, MJ7, tiba pa. So, i-announce natin yan next week. Alright, so, and salamat sa Hong Kong, sa first international seminar natin. Salamat sa IMG Hong Kong, sa meet-up, yung pin-repair po nila. I was surprised na yung breakfast namin, ang dami nilang nandoon. Nag-aabang sa akin, and then, inilibot nila ako. Maraming salamat kay Ma'am Jen. Doon namin napag-usapan ni Ma'am Jen Quinto na there is life after being an OFW, di ba? So, pagkari natin, pagkatapos ng contract, kung hindi mo natapos ang contract, kung nabigo ka man dyan sa bansang kinaroonan mo and you have to go home, at pagdating mo ng Pilipinas, nakaka-depressed din kasi nagka-problema ka or things were not the same anymore, family problem, may utang pa rin, walang naipon and everything. There is still life after that, okay? May hope pa rin, okay? So, it's either, you can start all over again, okay? So, with what you have, kung ano meron ka, kung 10,000 ang perang nauwi mo, pwede mo pa yung gawin, pwede ka mag-start ng yung negosyo, sari-sari store, kainan, karinderya, whatever, okay? So, yun yung first or second, continue your career, di ba? So, kung license ka nagpunta dyan, pagdating mo rito, you can continue your career. And third, you use your skills na nandiyan na-develop mo while you were there, okay? Basta malaga, delivers, there is life after being OFW, okay? So, marami naghihintay sa'yo dito. Kung bigo ka dyan, tapos family mo, nabigo ka rin, you can start all over again, alright? So, salamat ng OFW natin na sumusuporta sa atin, nanonood na YouTube channel. IMG Hong Kong, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Okay? So, see you again. Babalik ako ng Hong Kong ng December 1. Para ma-meet ko po yung mga, doon, yung mga gusto mag-invest sa Forex. So, yan, explain ko po sa inyo yan with the CEO ng company. See you there, December 1. So, na po kayo sa akin, magpalista na kayo if you are attending. Okay? And December 8, lahat ng mga interested na mag-invest sa Forex, nasa Ayala Malls, Cloverleaf tayo sa Balintawak. Wow. December 8. Yan, mag-message na din kayo sa akin. Maraming gustong magpa-coach. Hindi ko lahat kayo ma-coach dahil wala tayo masyadong time. So, one time na lang yan, December 8, Ayala Malls, Cloverleaf, Balintawak. Kaya, message ko. And again, thank you very much sa meet up with IMG Hong Kong. Alright, so thank you very much, delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. And bago pala yan, visit the YouTube channel ng aking kapatid. Hindi po siya, anak niya po si Irene, Buhay OFW, Irene Sheila. Yan. Alright, so thank you very much, delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go!